And you want to take a look at SGLY when you get a chance. Excuse me. Oh, never mind.
SGLY.
Yeah, the numbers not looking all that anymore, but mhm. Exactly. Mhm. Mhm.
MDAI and a bit of a trending up. MDAI, which you were talking about earlier, is on a trending up thing. MDAI. You were talking about that one earlier. About the FOMO on this thing. Yeah. I just went in. Yeah. There she goes. Look at her go, man.
Can you see? Oh,
Come on, baby.
can can you see the coins that you're receiving? The tokens that you're receiving on TikTok? I'm sending some tokens.
I went in really late. I went in at 2:00. Um, yeah, yeah. I just FOMO'd in. I didn't. Yeah, the volume – 2:03. Yeah, way late. You think? Yeah. Yeah, I got lunch money. I got lunch money if I get it out. You're right. You got the small pint of milk money going. Come on, baby. Get me lunch. I just had surgery a few days ago, so I can't do my stuff outside. I can't work outside, so I gotta make a little money inside.
You see that, John? Mm. No, no, go ahead. Go ahead. Sorry.
Sorry. Get out? I tried to get it out and it wouldn't let me. I had to reset it. I got out. I did.
Yeah,
I made about 25 bucks. Um, I No, no, no. I mean, I typically I wasn't really paying attention today. I was listening to you. I wasn't people have been pumping this stock. I should have gotten in a little bit earlier. Looking at these 3 down candles under the 9, I would have gotten out probably. I'd probably be getting out by now. I would have gotten out right about definitely by now. I wouldn't have made as much. You got me out earlier. You made me more money.
What do you think about it for a day trade? I mean, a swing trade. I'm sorry. Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Top, guys.
All these AI stocks are running, man.
I'm not even looking at the screen. Let me see.
John, I don't know if you can see it, but I just sent you 1,700 coins. No problem. Yeah,
Okay.
up top, right to his name, up top. Can you see the coins? It's been a while. Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Hey
Yo,
man,
what
you
up,
want me to give you a couple AI stocks that are moving? I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
No, take your time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Would you get into it now? Hmm. Yeah, totally. No, you're right. You're right. Mhm.
Yeah, you need to push for one more heart, man. You got two. You need one
Oh, let
more.
me get. I'm about to like it right now. I'm looking at SGLY. The volume's picking up on it.
Yeah, SJLY. SJLY. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
What are we looking like?
Whoa. The other AI stocks I'm looking at are all dropping at the same time.
MDAI. I'm just calling it out. Not for you to look, John. That's what I'm going to look at right now.
Ooh, there it goes again.
Hey, I set up my limit sell for 470 on SGLI, SGLY.
Okay.
No, I got it at 436.
Mm-hmm. And then this morning it got down to 391.
John, what are we looking like? 470? Okay. 436. It was 623 yesterday. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yep.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta remind people to press the heart for you, man. You gotta have three, or they're gonna kick you out.
I gave him the third one.
No, no, up top, next to his name. Up top, all the way up top on TikTok, next to his name. You know that the
Okay.
orange heart. I'm sending. That's I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
that. I'm tapping, tap, 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 tap. Just keep tapping. Boom. Yeah, but Yes, John. Yes, John. Yeah.
436.
436. And I'll put my limit for 470. I'm gonna get rid of that 470 if it reaches that high.
Hi, hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hey there,
How
Nee.
how we doing?
Amazing. How
Right.
are you?
All
I've
right,
got, I've
Nish.
got yeah, not too bad, Ash. I've got some juicy stocks for you. Yeah.
Let's go.
This
Okay,
is
bring it on.
EVA. Have a look at EVA. It's going for parabolic at the moment. EVA. E for alpha, E for echo, A for alpha. Can you see? It's gonna
You
get to
Yeah, I think John talked about this yesterday.
yeah, but it's going crazy at the moment. Anyway, the news they got some news and then I think
you
it's
Yeah.
so
what is it again?
sorry.
What is it again?
EVA.
Oh, EV.
EVA.
EVA. EVA.
Got
I
you.
think I think you can get in now and then maybe get out. So maybe at six. Well, get in about 655 or something, and get out 6. I don't know, 6.8 or something, 6.9 maybe.
I mean, you know what the catalyst is on that? They filed for bankruptcy.
Did they? Yeah, that's why it's
Uh,
yeah. That's what I mean. Yeah, it's one of them. Um, mm. I tell you, yeah. If you're finding that bit, there's also GXAI. So it's G for golf, X for saxophone, AI. Yeah, that's going crazy at the moment. And guys, you can make some money on these. Just like get in and see where they're dropping to. Like I thought, it's 11.63. Get in at 11.54 and get out at 11.7 or something. So that's going crazy at the moment. So it's bouncing between 11.50. Try getting 11.50, 11.870, just come in and out. I mean, and I think it can go a lot higher later on today. Um, yeah. Yeah, the manipulating. Yeah. Yeah. The volumes are very, the large volumes are good. It's on 22 over 20, and then 41 over 39, and 11 over 11.50, 11.45 or 11.50. So that's a small, but the larges are good on this one. So it's good to maybe get into that one. And there's a SKIN. I don't know. Let me check SKIN. You're right. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what's yeah, we're having a very good. Yeah, GM, GM, yeah. Okay, equity. Yeah, what's that? Right. Oh, the inflow's a bit high. The outflow's a bit high on the GM one now because it's only 5/13 on outflow. So it's, I guess it's still, you know, it's good. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Is that? Mm. Yeah. Right. Mm. Yeah. 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 Right. Mm. Right. Mm. Really high. Mm. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Mm. 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 Yeah. Well, mm. Mm. Yeah, well, we need to. Yeah, it's a bit high. It's on 40-20 at the moment, and it's projected to get to 40-20. Well, but it's nearly there before before my market opens anyway. But yeah, it's looking a bit green. If it does go pull back hard, then we need to know. I guess get into it. I mean, it's still $40 is a bit high to get in, but like you got a bit more price. Yeah, yeah, mm, mm, mm. Right. Mm. Yeah. What does this company do? What does it do? This company? Let me have a look. What it does actually. I didn't read about the company. Oh, it's a motor. Yeah. Oh, do you know? Have you? Yeah. Have you seen the sound today? Sound's going to. Did you get in? Ash, did you get into sound as well?
No, 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 not today.
I
No, I
told you to
didn't.
get in 7-Eleven now. I told you the other day to get in.
Yeah, yeah, you
You,
did. You did.
I
But
told you. I told all of you to get in. It's still at 7-Eleven now. I'm about 400 pound open with the account. So, you know, since my time, a few things have changed. I still need to. I've still got a bit of red, but the sound, stocks like that are helping me. You know, a lot. You know, and also BMI. You know, you need to look at blockchain ones as well, because they're going to go parabolic. The blockchains are going to go parabolic. You know, these are the ones that are fast movers as well. You've got a lot. Yeah, yeah. It's a dividend. It's the dividend stock. Yeah, mm, right. Yeah, yeah. Right. Yeah. Right. Just keep John, keep on it, and I'll hopefully buy into it once it's like when we're ready. We're hopefully getting comfortable, but we get into it. Won't we? Huh? Yeah. Well, okay. What do you think Sam's going to get to today? Then just give me an idea because I'm already a few hundred up on it. Mm. It's going crazy, but I reckon it's going to get to $10. I think it's going to get to $10. I think sound has always been gold. I look at his platinum soon. It's going to get to $10. I've been doing a lot of research on. Yeah, I can't do options. I can't do options. All right. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, go on. Good, uh, good pump. Meaning, how much pump do you think? No, it's a gradual up, isn't it? Also, also, also while we're on this one, don't forget Bit Farm, BITFM. Honestly, that's gonna go crazy. BITFM, yeah. That is a hmm? Sound. I got out, but I got into my other ISA, and I got into it a few days ago about 4.95. Then I go out at 5. Then I go back in at 5 something, 5 to 10 or something like that. So now I'm 200. I'm already about $300 up. So now I'm just gonna leave it because I need it to go at least to 8 or 9. Then I'll come out again. You know. I've been monitoring. I have been monitoring on my account because what I do, I set a buy-in limit because I've been speaking about it all the time, and I bought in at 4.95 quite a few times. Got out at 5.20, come back in. Then it wasn't getting to 4.95 again 5, so then I got in again. So since that time I've always been in it because it's just because of the links of Nvidia now because Nvidia is gonna get to 1,000. This is going up with it, you know. If the view, well, mm, yes. But you know what? Get out. Mm, mm, yeah. Oh, so do you think we should get out now?
I never got into it. Would do you think this is a good entry or
I got
because I
it.
kind of missed that double bottom at 702.
Mm, mm, yeah. I know, but I always said to you, John, get in this stock. I always said that to you. This was really good because I wouldn't. I'd never give you a stock that's not gonna. You're not gonna do anything with, because I get some article feel. Also, I speak to a few people, so I know this one is like quite a secure one. Um, yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm,
Nope.
yeah, yeah. Once you set up, then we need to actually get on conference and just trade. Right, let's go in now on this stock and trade, and then trial it out that way. So then at least if people are making, and once it gets to a stage where we know certain stock, we know the flavor of the stocks, and we know you know the right stocks as well. We need to get a list of the right stocks, and when they do come in, you're gonna generally make on them. So that's what you need to get the premium package to. Just quality stock. But I should I've just a busy week. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I don't think you should trade them. You should just trade it. Takes you 2 minutes to trade them, and then do the projection. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go on. Yeah. Mm, mm,
Yes, sir.
mm.
Yep.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yep.
Mm. So sound
Do that
today.
all the
What
time.
what what would you say sound will get to today? Then go on then. let's see if that's if your projection works out on that one. Today,
About
what do you think?
708.
What? No, I'm not getting out of it at the moment.
Huh?
What do you think is going to get to today then? Today,
It might
yes.
drop out. It might drop to 708 around that area. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. John,
yeah, yeah.
John.
Yeah, it's definitely in the millions. So it's going to go down. Yeah, it's going to go down to 7 again. It's going down to 7 again. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay. It's quite big, isn't it, though? 24. Mhm. I'm just logging. I'm just checking some of my accounts at the moment. Yeah, but yeah. I might set a sell limit to 750 or something. You know? What do you think? I've set a limit order to sell at 750 because on my chart it says 749. It's going to get to 749 on my chart. So that means the top to 50. And then, when it gets to that close, sometimes it dips a couple of units further up or further. If it's going to go down, it's going to dip a couple of units further down. That's why I always said to Ash and everyone, when you're going to buy at this, it's going to go down to this and, get a couple of units less, then you got at a good price. So I reckon I've set a sell on. So I'd have to monitor it now. I'm not. I should really. Yeah, yeah, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, mm, yeah, mm, uh,
Yeah, the first time, look on sound, the first time I got in, you guys mentioned it. I heard it from Niche first, and I jumped in. It
yeah,
was for something, and
yeah.
I think I got about $375 profit, and I got out.
Lovely, lovely.
And the
Yeah,
second time, Nish was talking again, and he said, "This is going to go to $18." I jump in again, and they took away $220 from me. I'm like, man,
no, you
hell with
should.
it. And I haven't got back since then.
No, but you should have stayed in then. You just stay in because it was going to go up anyway. Look where it is now. You know, but it was
Yeah,
bouncing.
but it was
What
high.
you could have
It was I
done.
bought it high the second time. I bought it high.
Yeah. No, but then you can buy. You can buy. You can buy. You can get your average down by. Like you said, John, that keep some money aside, so then you can bring your average down, and that's what I did once as well, and I made profit like that. So obviously, yeah, you gone. Yeah.
Mhm.
No, I did. I, I did that on sound. I did bring my average down, right? But then I've always been in profit in sound now. So I've not made profit on sound. You know, on the other one, like penny stocks, I find it very difficult because if they're under a pound and sometimes they come on parabolic or something, I always tend to miss somewhat on them and they don't go as what they to plan. But these solid stocks, like Nvidia, I'm in and out of all the time because that's always making me money, And like even like any $1 billion stock or at least $900 million market cap stock that that shows on my chart, generally I make money. Mm, right. Yeah. Yeah. $12.
Yep.
What would you say good? What would you say good buying on DXAI would be now? What to buy in? What do you think good would be good to buy in? What time? What? See, this is where we need to know where to go in and get out if we're trading together. You know, on an active stock like this. I think it's going to 10-10. You know, I think it's going to go to 10. Let me check on my charts as well. I'm thinking of buying it now. I'm thinking of getting now for a little run. You know, just a little nice run. It gives you a bit of adrenaline rush, you know. So because it is, let's see, G G. Yeah. Why? I've got a buying at oh, it's going to go to 980, isn't it? So it might. On my chart, it might go to 980. You know. Wow. Well, tell me, John. John. Look what I'm sending you now on text. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, and then tell me. Let me get your account. Hold on, where are you? John. John. Where are you? I can't see you. No, I can see it. Right. Okay. Look at this. Look at this chart. This is how it's showing me. Hold on. There. For that GXI, look at this. What I see on my projection list. See, look at that doji there on mine. Yeah. Can you see? Is that so on my chart? And then if I go back to the charts I sent everyone. Let me see go back to the charts I've sent everyone. When I get to them charts. Right. So that on my chart, on the that's showing. Is it a sell? Is that a sell or is it a buy? Looks like a sell.
Oh, Jesus.
That's going down. So that's a sell. That's a sell, you know, isn't it? Yeah, but this is. I'm just showing you for our next strategy that when you analyze these stocks, and then sometime when we're going to trade, when you get into the premium package, you can do this, get a bit of information from me and analyze it this way. And I know you'll get it all on Webull, but this is another source, you see. Then we can be 100%, can't we? So I can send you stuff like this when we're trading, and gives you a better idea. Yeah, can you see how I see it? So it'll help.
Yes, sir. I wonder what
Okay, my break. Okay,
How's
well,
GXAI looking, bro?
let me send you the. Right, yeah, I'm going to send you. I thought you were going to ask me for that. You're sharp, John. You're sharp. You must have. Yeah, hold on. Let me get the. Let me get the range now for you.
GXI
Right.
just
So,
crossed 11. There it goes.
right. Okay, I'm going to send you the range now. Hold on. The range.
Should we go? How's GXAI looking, man?
John, that's a range. Can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why I say it's going to get to. No. It went to 11 just now, you know. Oh, no, I'm not getting the out volume. Yeah, I mean, still the inflow is large. There's got quite a few larges going in, you know, 28 over 26. And the mediums are going in large. I reckon it's going to pop. Like you said, it's going to pop. But if you can get in at 10-10, you're going to be okay. I don't think you should get in that now. I don't think you should. 989, in that 99 or something, you know, 999 or something, you know. Call the police. I think. And it is patience, isn't it? It's a lot about patience, all about always. You need to be really patient, and you know that's what we need to be really patient and do one trade a day. Even if we do one or two quality trades a day, we're gonna do it. We're gonna nail it. You know. Yeah. Yeah.
$7, 15%. See,
Yeah.
I've been waiting for you to say that. So I got this down. So that
People are manipulating these stocks. You know, this one definitely been manipulated by Wall Street and people. You know? Right. Right, Ashley, send me. Let me get to your Ashley, SGLY. Let me check SGLY for you, Ashley.
say that
Okay.
again.
Okay, miss. Yep.
Holo going bananas. Literally.
Hey,
Turnover.
Damn.
Ashley, it's a good time to get into this one. Just check the flow on it. You know, Ash. I'll send you the details in a
yeah. I'm.
second.
I'm. Okay. Okay. Thanks.
I'll send you but then check. Obviously, you need to do your due diligence with the Weeble and stuff like that. You know.
Yeah. 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 Definitely. Definitely.
Yeah. Are you not? do- Yeah. 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 Mm. Mm. Oh, you know that it's gone at 755. That Sam's gone at 754, 755. So now it's probably sold it for me now. You know. Look at that pop on sound. Look at that pop on sound. Sorry. I have to interrupt sometimes because we just it's just because it's
Holo's popping too.
my This is what I'm saying, lads. This is what I'm saying. If I get two projection, your projection, John, it helps out, and then you've got to get in there on the.
See right here, the one right here because look at your red.
But, but when you say, but,
Oh, you
but, the thing is, we need to get more accurate projection. We need to know what we're going so we can make the money sometimes. So I guess we're missing something. We're missing something.
you're gonna get in on this after
If it's $1 trillion company or $1 billion company, then it's going to be like pretty secure, isn't it? In some ways, if you see what I mean.
Dang.
Potential. And so now that this whole thing, now you're looking at these, that's not
I've made like 7, 8 minutes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've made about 600 on it today. It sold at 7, it sold at 577 for me. Brilliant. That's in my other ISA account. Well, I made that for my missus actually. I think she owes me lunch.
Hey everyone, I'm about to head to work. I hope y'all have wish y'all the best of luck.
Have a beautiful day.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you. I'll let you know about that.
okay. So now
Look at that. That's a beautiful place played on that sound. Is it oversold now, Ash? I mean, John, is it oversold? Because I've got it in my pension as well, which I need to get out of it now. I think because I've been down in my pension on sound a little bit. Yeah. I am good. I was nearly 650 win just now, but I need to check in my pension now because I bought in my pension as well. But I was down about 200 on my pension, so it might have gone up now. So it's still 100. It's 100 down in my pension. I'm still 122 down in my pension on it. So I just sell it in my pension, or what? Or do you think I should wait? I'm Yeah, because basically it's 103 down, and it's minus 4%.
we go now.
Yeah. Do you think it might? Huh? No, there is no win. There is no win in my pension. It's minus 103. Yeah, 4%. 4% down. So
Whoa,
I
there
got. I
goes
got.
MDAI. MDAI.
Yeah.
It's starting to move.
Mhm.
Just crossed the double top.
BMR just shot up as well. BMR just shot up.
That IFBD that Team Crawford um just called out looks real nice on the
62,
daily.
44.
IFBD. Yeah. I had dozed off over here for a little bit. Sorry, guys.
You good?
Mm-hmm. Right. Gotcha. But what I'm talking for a swing trade. Yeah, I was looking at it for a swing trade. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay.
Jan, that's what we want to do. We do 3 trades a week, but make a lot of money. That's what we want. That's the plan. It will. No, but collecting. But you'll have to look, if you want to get to that premium package, then you're gonna have to devise a plan to do that, or at least make people £200-300. Otherwise there's no point for a premium package. You like we did in Sound now, made £300. You need to get it to that stage where it's up to their decision. But obviously there's a disclaimer in there. You come in a disclaimer, and then you can say, all right, I'm going to get in on this now, so that you don't have to tell them what to get on. You can say I'm getting in, so then they'll say either trade with you or trade without you. You know? No, yeah, go on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, yeah.
Yep. That is true. Mhm.
Hang on, bro. Can you hear me? I need a break. 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that makes sense. Yep. Yep. Mhm.
But you are doing day trading though, right? You're not a sniper. You're just a more patient day trader. Yeah. That's what
Mhm.
I want to learn because my mistake is not reading it properly. I go in too fast. I go out too fast. Um, so that's what I'm looking forward to learning.
Yep, you're not the only one.
That is my problem. That is my problem too.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mm.
When guys like you look at these chart patterns, I feel like a colorblind guy trying to look at color. Um, I don't mind personally, like, I don't mind looking at taking snipes, um, or being a sniper. It's knowing that I'm gonna be a sniper on one and be a big taker on another, and knowing which one is just gonna be a small play and don't expect too much from it. I can't tell that at all right now. And I trade off a proprietary algo, which I pay for, not a lot, but I pay for it every month. And there's a pattern I follow, and I'm in another Discord, and they're good. They're good traders. They're good people. They're very good people. But I'm not learning the next level kind of stuff that you're doing. So, you know, to know, like, here's a good play that's really going to go somewhere, as opposed to, maybe I'll get 10, 20 cents out of this thing. To know the difference between those two things is like a win-win for me. So that's what I'm
Absolutely.
looking at. Right.
At least not for free. Too long.
Well, I think since Miss Erica got 2 months for free, she should pay my first month.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Mhm.
Right. Mhm.
Mm. Have no idea. Mm.
John, sorry. Right. Right. John, do me a favor, please. Sorry, I don't want to be rude, but you know, BIVI. Tell me if I should buy him because I need to get my average down on it. Just check it, please, because it's going up now. So, is it a good time for me to get my average down?
This, this is why we
BIVI.
love Nish, man. He just come out of the blue and just blew up the bomb.
No, sorry.
Yes.
I- I'm I'm I'm
He just
proactive.
got
I've
into
got
a
some.
serious conversation. He said, "Bi."
Right. Forget what y'all talking about. Take a look at
Yeah, I
this.
don't care about y'all.
We need to make money. You know, we're all going to make money. Trust me. I've got a good plan good plan for us all. You know, it's just a matter of getting cutting away the bad edges. You know. So
Hurry up, John. Check out BIBI. Hurry up, John. Don't
yeah,
disappoint Nish.
I'm seven. I'm $700 down.
Uh,
$700 down in the IPI. Sorry. No. Oh, cool. Yeah. Gone. Right.
Mhm.
yep. Mhm.
Yeah, you know, my son mentioned you were dissing me on one of your talk. He said, I know. Right. Yeah, I love you too.
He, he's everybody's favorite.
Uh,
Thank you. I It's just I mean some of these stocks, the low volume ones, I've got in just for trial real, and I've done okay in some of them, but some of them, even with certain billies, certain things, and they don't seem to be working out. So I'm going to stick to my strategies, in terms of like good good market cap stocks, and I think we should all stick to them good market cap stocks, and when they go bullish, and then we're going to make some fine money, Otherwise, sometimes if you get into these small stocks, you're stuck for a while, aren't you?
mhm.
It's like I want to put my money out and run. That's all I want to do, even if we get. And yes, this average thing is we need to start doing stop losses. Well, I do as well.
Me too. More often.
Uh, but saying that, I've done okay with certain decisions I've made recently with Tesla and certain other stocks. So, but I've got some few reds. I've got a few small red. Hmm. Hmm. Hopefully, hopefully. Yeah.
And Nish, John gonna retire you a millionaire, Nish.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah. I'm gonna create a fund so when you guys are down, I say, hey, have a little bit of this, So then you bring your average down again, We should have a little
Yeah.
like floating fund. We'll call it floating fund. Right, Ash is down. Okay, here's 500 or grand. Get the average down. It's going up and get out. So we should have a floating fund for everyone. You know.
Because
Yeah. 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 No, we do it together. We do it together. No, Joe. Mm.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Jeez. Right.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah. On my chart, it shows different though, Joe. On my chart, it says it's to buy. On my chart, it's going up. So that's why I don't want to miss out on even if I buy triple the shares and then it goes up a bit, I just want to get out of this bloody thing. I don't like it. You know. Mm. Yeah, yeah. And that's what I was just about to say that. I don't like
Hey
them
guys,
options.
I gotta go for a bit. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of
have
your
So
a
day.
beautiful day.
Thank you.
take it
You
easy.
guys are awesome. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Well,
Mm-hmm.
easy, Tiger. It's wet. It's raining down here. But but we yeah. But that's why we've got adjective in front of our name, like Great Britain. It's Great Britain, isn't it? So Yes, there is money here. Obviously, we've got a king. We've got a king now, so I miss the queen, but we've got a king. He seems to be okay, Well, yeah, I mean, it's doing okay for now. I think I'm going to end up in India at some point. Where Modi government, Modi. So hopefully, the India's getting quite well as well. You guys need to come to Goa one day for some spice.
Mhm.
Trip to Goa. I'll take you to some candle in some nice places. There's some nice beaches there. Really good food, fish. It's nice. We could trade from
Mhm.
Goa. Yeah, yeah,
Same here. Yeah,
Is
yeah, yeah.
I got a meet. I got a meet niche.
Yeah, you got
is
me, man.
GXAI reversing? Let me see. The tabletop? Right. Hmm. What was it? The Head and Shoulders? Mm-hmm. Yes, did you get out of SGLY?
No, no, Erica. I left it
Okay.
alone. I mean, even if I have to play for the next few days, I will. But my set limit is 470. I mean
Okay.
Do you know?
458. I'm sorry. I lowered it down to 458.
Do you
Okay.
know what do you think, guys? Think of this SSTK shuttle stock. Basically, it goes crazy, this stock, but it's got a lot of larges coming in. I'm in profit now, but it's a $1 billion company. It's 5232. It's got a lot of big SSTK. Have a look at it. What do you think of it? Because I know it's gonna rocket. I reckon it's gonna rocket 1,400. I think.
Yep. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So should I get it? Should I buy in? When should I buy in?
Get out.
Yeah. Get me on your list, please, to tell me when. Yeah.
Because he want to bring his average down. Okay.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay. So let me know. I've got I've got a good one for you, John. Now, right? This is in return for that little bit of analysis. Look at SSTK. I'm in this stock. I'm about 1%. Yeah. This is one for you. Right. I think you should be. Yeah. Shut of stock. That's exactly what it'll do. Yeah, $1.8 billion company. You're not going to really lose your money, but look at it. Look at the graph. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is why you can make it now. And yes, exactly. I get dividends from this one. Look, look at the charts, John. Look at the charts. Look how it rockets every now and again. So is it about? It's about a rocket again, isn't it? A little bit more. Look how it rockets. Look at the floor. Look at the. Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Can can you tell me where it's going to get to? When should I sell? Because I've had it for a long time. This one, I've got nearly 2K in this one, but I'm in profit now. But do you think I should sell at 59? Right. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, I'll tell you. Right. For this one, let's go to it. Um, right. Um, so I'm buying. So I'm $90 up at the moment. And my buying was 52.17. My average was 52.17. So now, I'm working. I'm running at a 0.79%. Uh, it's at $19. So I'm in the green 52.7. Yeah, .17. That's my average before profit. So now it's 52.32. I'm gonna set a stop loss when it gets to 53. I guess. I think it's gonna get to 53.
I think on Robinhood it says the owner sold 10% of his share, 51,944 shares.
This is going to get to £101. It's going to get to £1.18. I think 18 to 19. I reckon it's going to shoot. This one really rockets. Even if it gets to 68, 69, I'm going to sell. I'm not going to sell out. I can't put a stop loss on this at the moment because I know that this is a quality stock and it's going to shoot in a bit. If you look at the graphs, it always shoots. It always like goes up. It's not reached any peak at the moment, you know. So this is what I'm saying. Even if you get to $70, I'm happy. You know. So even if it gets to like $71, it's only at $52, and it's gonna rock it. I mean, it has been to 118 before, you know. That's why it's called
Yeah.
shuttle stock. That's why they call it shuttle stock. It's like a shuttle, you know.
Yeah.
The only way is what, baby, you know.
I mean, it's down about 25% within this past year, but it's been up since then.
Yeah. So what do you think, Ashley? What's your prediction on? Yeah. So should I do a stop loss on it then? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you should.
Mm. Mm. Get another. Mm. Mm. I think. I think. I think it's gonna pop. I think it's gonna have a pop in it. I think it's gonna have a pop. Mm. So I set my average at 52.20. Just I know it's 52.17. So I set my stop loss to 52.20 or 25. 50. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna set it to 52.25. How's that? 52.25. Yeah, yeah. I know. At the moment, I'm up 0.90%. I'm not up 8%. I'm only up 0.90% because I've got quite a lot of money in it. I'm talking about 2K in this stock. You know, I've been holding this for a while.
Excuse me.
Everyone's gone quiet.
Niche, did you get in Holo?
I got in at 52.17.
I'm talking about Holo, HOLO.
No, I've not gotten that one. No.
I thought you mentioned it.
Yeah, I mentioned sometimes I get these stocks and I mention them because obviously not necessarily I get into all of them, but you know like some of them I'm in and out of. But sometimes I think I'd have been on HM. I know I've been in that point. You know.
You see, Erica, you saw it pop earlier and it came back down, right?
Yeah, at 8.
Yeah, just be careful with that.
Yeah.
Did
You
you get
talking
back in
about
it?
when it, no, I didn't, but I seen it went to while it was going to 8:33. You
Yeah,
remember I
that's
had
what.
got out at 6. I could have got back in and wrote it to 8 too.
This is
Yeah,
gonna put this short
you
stock's
remember I
gonna pop.
told you earlier. This is the one like it's gonna pop and dump and pop and dump.
Mm-hmm.
You remember I told you I was gonna do that all day?
Yeah.
Yeah, whenever this stock comes back, but it comes out of the blue and it do that all day.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know why.
Them day traders, in and out, in and out.
Yeah, yeah, and it comes out of the blue. I don't know, once every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, it comes back and play all day.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, last time I got out with $450 profit, and I never looked back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So are you guys in profit at the moment then, Ricky and Ashley?
I'm. Let me see. Let me see mine. Let me see. I'm SGLY. SGLY. That one, I'm up. It's like 2%. Two
Right,
percent. I was down
right,
about 10, about 5% earlier. I'm up 2% on that. And where's my other one? Sophie. Sophie. I'm down 0.9%, like a dollar or two.
yeah,
Now I'm up. Now I'm up. It just went up because my average is 745.
right,
And BTIF, I have that one too. I think John is holding that too. That one I'm up 2.17%.
right,
And RKLB, I have that one. On that one, I'm up 0.58%, about $3.
right.
Um, so I mean, oh, BGXX. That one, someone called it last night, and it was looking good. BGXX.
Right.
I'm down 7%. My average is 28 cents. Right now it's 26.45. So that one I'm down seven
Mhm.
percent. But I put a stop loss for 10%. So if it goes
Mhm.
down to 10%, I'm gonna cut that down. BGXX.
But
That's
Okay.
it. Those are the stocks I'm holding.
look at Sound's gone to 770.
Yeah, yeah. Sound. I told you earlier, man. It's gonna go up and it's gonna dump too. But by the
Mm,
time maybe after lunch, it's gonna be somewhere around 7 or 8, man. That's what it's looking
Mhm.
like on this side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But I could be wrong, man, because John always says the volume. The volume. Before you know it,
right.
somebody might dump like $1 million in there, and before you know it, it's $8.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true. But we
yeah.
need to be in
So
and out of the job by then somehow. You
yeah,
I'm
know,
holding
yeah.
IFBD. I bought a couple of shares of that. So I
did
might
Which one,
anyone?
Erica?
IFBD, the one Crawford called out.
Oh yeah, yeah. You mentioned it earlier, right? You mentioned that one
Yeah,
earlier.
it's a low float and it's pretty low.
What's your average?
605.
605. Yeah, you should be all right. You should be all right on this one.
Yep, you see the
Yep.
daily?
Yep. 9%. Right?
Yeah. And
Yep.
it's